Hello, my name is Jessie Taylor. Today I am discussing the paper, Declines of Freshwater Turtles Associated with the Climatic Drying of Australia's Murray-Darling Basin. The paper concentrates on the effects of climate change on Shelodina longicollis, Emydura macquarieae and Shelodina expansa. A short time ago, the Murray-Darling Basin suffered the most severe drought in its recent history, spanning from 2001 to 2010. For freshwater species such as the one mentioned before, changes, especially declines in the flows of rivers, have the potential and ability to cause compound non-climatic pressures. As a result of the drought, there was severe drying, acidification and salinisation. In this report, Bruce Chessman concludes upon the changes that have occurred in turtle populations over the past 35 years. The study area included was the Murray River and the floodplain located downstream from the Yarrawonga. Turtles were sampled from December 1976 to December 1982, then again from December 2009 to March 2011. Trapping was conducted in late spring, summer and early autumn, as this is when the species was most active. Main method of trapping was hoop nets, each of which were baited. Traps were checked every 2.2 hours so that any species caught could then be removed and the traps reset. 11 sessions of trapping were completed in the first period and 19 in the second, with 1,968 hours of trapping completed. Other trapping techniques included the use of a dip net, hand capture and a CN net. Turtles were identified and then measured by a straight line medial carapace using expanding and vernier calipers. Changes in abundance were then established by the differing capture rates, that is, the number of turtles per hour trapped. Trapping. Data was then evaluated and compared for the two periods. Figure 1 shows the catch rates of each of the species with the use of the hoop net. It was determined that the total number of turtles captured in the 09 to 11 period was about half of what was caught during the 76 to 82 period. This is in spite the time spent sampling almost doubled. Figure 2 shows the proportion of each of the species caught in each of the different areas used for trapping. It can be concluded for C. longicollis that there was a 91% decline in catches, for E. macquarieae that there was a 69% decrease in catches, and no significant decline for C. expansa. It is clear that these results, the drought period within the Murray-Darling Basin has had a significant and varying influence on the population number of these species, with decreases in C. longicollis and E. macquarieae being attributed to habitat change. Chessman then concludes that such findings can confirm the different species react differently to climatic conditions such as this drought. Ecology of such animals is therefore required so that each individual species' reactions can be comprehensively understood and interpreted so as to establish and acknowledge the animals that are more vulnerable to such events.